My name is Dr. Mukyala Muzaata, who means Teresa. Administration, thank you so much for this wonderful day. It's very important for our children. Education is not about only academics, parents, it's also about co-curricular activities. And when I was still studying, this was the MDD. MDD is when our children realize their potential. Simply when I get up excelling in academics. But more about how the entertainment and leisure field, which the economy, yeah, the whole world. You see the Rihannas being billionaires, our entertainers, the young youth having very big mansions and driving very big cars. So I was like, just recently, everyone's approached me and they gave me a very big deal. Like, they paid me very big money just to appear in their play about girl empowerment. Those are Mukyala Muzaata. So it's very important to take every time in school as quality time. Please, parents, support. Some parents believe it's only books.